Hello people! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3D origami piece. So what you need is an A4 piece of paper and scissors. Okay, so keep the scissors to the side, and now what you do is you fold the paper like this. Also, one batch, one paper makes 32 little 32 little papers. So then you fold it again. So you folded it once, you fold it again, and then you fold it a third time. Okay. Then you unfold, and then you fold it like this. You twist it around and you fold it like this. Okay. Like that. And then you fold it one more time. And unfold the whole thing. So if you see this is 8 by 4, which makes 32. So then what you do is you cut along these lengthwise lines. And it doesn't actually really matter if you get it a bit out of the lines. If you cut it a little bit out of the line. And if this is too slow, then you can just skip forward in the video. Most of the time I use the paper trimmer, so it's like a trimmer, and then I just have to cut along that line. Just run it along the line. But right now I don't have it with me, so scissors the next one I go to. Okay, and that's fine. So you take all your pieces and just line them up as good as you possibly can. So the way I do it is I just sort of, just a bit like this. Now I'm going to cut along these lines. Like that. So that's 4, 8, 12, 16, and you have 20, 24, 28, and 32. So, to make one whole 3D origami model, you need like a lot of these pieces. So I'm going to show you how to make just one of them. So what you do is take one little piece of paper, then you fold it in like this, half like this, okay? And then you fold it like this, half the other way, and open it up. And you see the side where the flap is like open, not closed. You bring that towards the center, so it looks like this. Yeah, and then you flip it around, and you just fold these down. Not too much, just there should be a bit of a gap so that you can fold it properly. So you fold this. Okay, and then you fold them down. And that's just one little origami piece. And soon in my future videos I might actually teach you how to make proper models. So this was my super easy 3D origami piece making video. And also make sure to check out my other videos and like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.